Your weight down, man.
Pitcher, Hazel the hitter. She winds up for the pitch. Comes down with the knuckleball.
Hey, what are you doing? You give me that towel, little girl. You give me that towel.
Ceiling brand. But Grandma,
I'm praying that.
Charmin Ultra Soft gets you clean without the waste.
Ew.
They're crying.
Emma, can you give Emma kisses? Oh, that's so sweet. Can you give Emma another kiss? Ow! Ow!
What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
Paisley, no.
Stop.
Can't do that.
You can't have that.
No.
He's too busy. Okay, go.
On they both went through the skunk cabbage. The hare heard the tortoise and chuckled. Slowly and steady. Oh, okay. Every little bear should be bear watching.
Chance! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Boom. Oh, I forgot to blow it up. Boom. Blow it up. Come on. Blow it up. There we go. Good job. You sat down a little too soon, cutie. You ready? Here we go. Whoa. Good job. Good job.
Finish him, Grayson. Finish him.
Good job, buddy.
To carry the soup. We use that giant candy cane to get the basket out of the tray.
Dada. Dada. Dada.
Can I get a kiss? Huh? Can I get another kiss? Yeah? Oh! You don't. Let me, come on. Just a little bit.
Ow! No!
Anna, don't bite.
Damn.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Despicable me. Oh, get out of my face. Oh, get that out of my face. Hey, you get out of my face.
What? No way! No way! Can you believe this guy? Can you believe this guy?
Feel memory.